Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add image onto your product page in Shopify. Now, there's a couple of ways we can do this. First off, you'll see that right now I'm on a product page called shirt, right? And there's no product image here. And if you want to add a built-in product image, you don't do it from the Shopify web editor. You do it from the product page, from the product customization. And the way we can do this, first off, let's exit. This is basically me going to the dashboard. Now, when you first log in onto Shopify, you'll see something like this, right? And the way we can add a image onto our products, we have to go to products, and then you'll see this is my current product here, shirt, the one you saw earlier. So just click on shirt, and you'll see that there's a media settings here. Now it accepts images, videos, or even 3D models. So let me add a shirt image real quick. Now it's uploading the image. The way you add an image, you just click on the plus button and it'll open up the file explorer. Now we have an image for our shirt, right? So I just have to click on save. If you didn't, it automatically saved. But if you see that the save button is not highlighted, then make sure to click on save. But now we have a media on our products, right? So let's go back to online store. Let's go to themes and let's go to customize. Now on customize, you'll see that now on our feature product, there is a media here. And if we go to our actual product page here, now we have a picture on our product page, right? Because this is the picture of our product. Now there's also another way to do this. So you can see here that this is the entire product page, right? If you want to add a section where you can do an image, you can go to template and then click on add section. On add section, you'll see that there's a couple of methods we can do this. We can do featured collection, feature product, collection list, rich text, image with text, image banner. Now the thing we want is of course an image, right? So we can either do image with text or an image banner. So if I want to do image with text, for example, I just have to click on it and you'll see that now we have an image, but although with the text right here, right? If you want to change the image, you just have to click on this. You can select or you can explore the free images. I'm just going to give it a Shopify stock image right here. Select. There you go. Now we have an image with text right here, right? We can also do add section and then image banner, such as this. Now we have an image banner like this. Again, it's the same method on how we can add images. I'm just going to do another Shopify stock picture. Now, the thing that we can do here is that you can see that on image with text, you see that it's a collapsible element with a couple of elements in here, like the image with text, the pair text, and a button, right? The thing we can do here is, for example, image with text. I'm going to delete this. And now we don't have the header. Now, if I want to pair with text this, I can delete this as well. I can delete. And there's also a button that I can delete. I'm going to delete. And now we only have an image right here on the product page. Same thing goes from the banner. You can see that the banner, there's a couple of elements we can do. I'm going to delete this, and delete this. And now we have just a raw image on our product page without the text or anything of the sort.